Hi everyone, my name is Julia and today I'm going to be showing you some of the products that annual members can pick on Category 5 of their FabFitFun Spring Box. And stick around until the end of the video because I do have a super special promo code for you. So let's get started with the products. The first product that I have is the Hypernova Dark Circle Reducer Eye Cream. I have been on the market for a good moisturizer for my under eyes for a long time now and I really like this one. It has caffeine, which helps energize the skin. And this one helps minimize the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. So it gives you that awake, refreshed, ready to take on the day look that we all want. This product has a very light gel texture, so it's super gentle, super lightweight, great for everyday use. And it comes in this pen-shaped applicator, so it's super easy to take anywhere if you need to take it on an overnight bag or just have it whenever you need it. The second product that I have to show you guys are these clips. They are the Gemelli Jenna clip, which comes in a pack of 2. This is really nice because it comes with these 2 super neutral colors, so you can pair it with any look that you need. And these clips were super popular in the 90s, early 2000s, so obviously they're making a huge comeback right now. They're super easy to use, they won't damage your hair. And they're perfect for those bad hair days or when you want to switch things up a little bit. If you want to put your hair up in a bun or do a half up, half down hair look. And what I personally really like about these is that they're really big. So I have a lot of hair and it's curly. So it's hard for me to find clips that I actually can hold all of my hair in. But with these ones, I'm set. Next up, I have the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Earth Harbor is a FabFitFun favorite. We've had it in the box before. And this product I'm really excited about because it is a chemical exfoliant. So instead of using the beads to exfoliate your skin, it uses AHA and BHA, which means that it can exfoliate all of your skin evenly and that you're not gonna get more exfoliated on one cheek and the other one be less so. And the really cool thing about this product too is that it doubles as a leave-on spot treatment. So this is perfect for those days where you feel like your skin needs a little boost, a little something extra, or if you want to just have a spa day at home and relax, this is the mask for you. And to use this mask, you're just going to apply it to clean the skin, leave it on for 3 minutes, and then rinse it with warm water. And you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. And if you're into skincare like I am, please drop your routine below. I'm always looking for new skin recommendations, so please let me know what your tips are. Next up, I have the Sorbus Makeup Organizer. I think this is a really great product because it's one of those things that we never buy for ourselves, but it's so useful, so it's really nice to get it in a box like this. It has 9 compartments for you to put all of your makeup and beauty products in, and it has this super cute daisy print at the bottom. I really like this product to keep all of my essentials, all of the things that I use on the daily, so they're right there. I don't have to dig through my drawers or take out a makeup bag. I just have everything super easy right there for me, so my makeup routine is super quick. Alright guys, that's it. Those are all of the products that you can choose in Category 5. Please comment below and let me know what your favorite is. I really want to know. And as promised, the code for getting $10 off your first box is Julia. So if you want to redeem it and get one of these products along with a lot of other incredible products, just head on over to FabFitFun.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye!